Today I'm with Jace,
Hi.
Levi,
Hi.
Henry,
Hi.
and me, Jack. And today we'll be talking about how pollution is destroying our planet and us. There's an estimated 75 to 199 million tons of plastic and debris in the ocean. What do y'all think about that?
I think that there should definitely not be that much amount of plastic in the ocean.
Okay, so that plastic can really be harming animals, and those animals in the ocean can really help our planet. So, yeah.
And also, I feel like
It's
recycling should be like a bigger thing than just like throwing trash in the trash can, because half of that stuff can be recycled. But
Exactly.
some people are just careless.
And I feel
It's destroying our coral reefs.
like people should have to like do community service. They call it, like littering or throwing recycling like products into the trash can.
I do agree with that.
It's
Yeah, I
harming our
agree with
earth.
that too.
All right. What do y'all think the main cause of water pollution is?
I think it's just people littering at the beach.
Okay.
Water pollution.
Yeah, people, like, if you're all gonna just, like, throw it in, I don't know.
And like also like all those factories, some of them just like dump all their waste into the ocean.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
it's
I
like
think another thing is like how cargo ships, they like drop a lot of their containers and like they can't get it back. So
Yeah.
there's just a bunch of like debris and stuff in the containers just in the ocean.
Well, the main cause is sewage, water treatment, and just other nasty stuff we're putting in the water. All right. 88 here.
88 million tons. 88% of the ocean is polluted according to Quora.com. What do y'all think about that?
That is not good at all.
That is like
that is terrible.
the only place. It's like near Antarctica, probably. In there's still probably pollution.
Basically, what we just heard is that only 12% of our ocean is not polluted. That's
like
kind of bad.
Only 12% of our ocean is clean.
that means just like 12% of the animals that live in our ocean
Can survive.
Yeah.
without dying of pollution.
Yeah, so also us, when we get into water, the chemicals and, like, and bad gases can just, like,
Absolutely, just destroy it.
It can be really dangerous for humans to swim in that type of thing.
over 1 million seabirds and 100 sea mammals die to pollution each year.
100,000 sea mammals. That's insane.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, I feel like,
we need those because they help our planet out a lot. And a lot of people, they eat that type.
yeah, like
they
some
eat
people
those.
like they just depend on like eating those fish that die, and that's like their main food.
It's like the cycle of life, and we're just kind of messing with it. Like manatees, they
Exactly.
eat like algae and stuff, which is really useful, and they eat all the stuff we don't want.
Yeah.
And same with a lot of other animals. All right.
Air pollution can cause serious respiratory problems and long-term brain damage.
Yeah,
Air
like-
pollution is one of the worst, and the worst it's probably is around like China.
Yeah, and this is like most of it's coming from like all the cars and the
And like
factories.
the factories.
Yeah, and it's like coming out of all like the exhaust pipes and like the smokestacks that just let off all the pollution.
Airplanes.
Yeah, airplanes.
Coal burning.
Pretty much like everything that's like that came from the Industrial Revolution. Like,
Well, y'all
causes air
answered my next
pollution.
question, which
Hold up,
was,
hold
what
up,
do y'all
wait.
think the
So, I'm
main
just gonna
cause
say
was?
this. If it's, like, not a very, like, long ride, I would recommend riding your bike instead of getting in a car.
That is
Exactly.
true.
Yeah, like riding your bike would be so much better than just like.
And it's extremely
like-
eco-friendly.
Exactly.
Well,
Like-
a lot of people might not know how to. They might not know how to like ride a bike and stuff. So. Less than 1% of a global land area is air pollution safe. That's crazy, man.
Yeah, so if there's 1% of air pollution that's safe, then the other 99% is unsafe, and, like, that's just kind of crazy.
Yeah, I feel like that 1% would be like the same size as like Japan or something like
Or
that.
less. That's just like
Maybe
sad
less.
though.
I know,
The
like
fact that our air is so polluted and we're doing it,
Yeah.
and it causes so many deaths each year.
But there is someone who can help us with this problem.
his name is Mr. O'Hare
Also,
from the LORAC.
we need the Lorax to speak for the trees and make them grow.
Yeah, if you ever like can plant a tree in your backyard, like you see seeds, always make sure to do that because trees provide great oxygen for the world.
Yeah. Air pollution is the biggest threat to humans' health worldwide. That is very crazy.
You think it'd be like gun violence or something?
Yeah,
but
it'd be like
you
one
really
gun
would.
violence or like something like car accidents or like
Well, it's
you
not.
do stuff
It's
like
not.
that, but like
Well, the thing with this fact is it's not deaths. It's not death. It's just to human health, like respiratory issues. And it's not like literal death. It's not like getting killed. It's more like just
Cancer.
hurting your body. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm surprised cancer is not
Exactly.
the
I
number
feel
one
like
thing.
Well,
so you can
cancer-
get cancer from it.
cancer's bad, but like air
Yeah,
pollution's like worse.
radiation. Yeah, it's
You can get cancer from this though. I guess you can.
possibly, yeah.
Yeah.
If
So-
radiation.
So basically, what I'm hearing is that air pollution is not only dangerous, it causes other dangers.
Exactly.
That's
Yes.
actually
There are 3 types of pollution: land, water, and air pollution.
It's pretty straightforward.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but that's a lot of pollution though. Like the air, the land, and the water. Like
Dang, so pretty much there's nowhere safe to be.
yeah. There's
if you're
already
in
enough
pollution.
pollution in the
Except for that
ocean.
1%.
Do
exactly.
you realize how much pollution is in the air and ocean?
The ocean,
combined?
the ocean.
Going back to what we said earlier, 88% of the ocean is polluted, 99% of the air is polluted. And if you're ever just walking and you see a piece of trash, make sure to just pick it up.
Yeah.
For recycling, proper disposal.
Yeah.
Always good to do that.
One of the main causes of air pollution is motor vehicles, industrial faculties, and forest fires.
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
forest fires cause a lot of smoke and just
Yeah.
Yeah, and I feel like the forest fires come from
Like
dry land, like
motor-
pollution causes like climate change, and climate change makes everything like drier,
Dry,
and then
whenever the water-
wildfires happen.
I'm,
from that.
I'm surprised
Droughts
that
happen and
like
then
coal
wildfires
burning isn't up there or something.
And then
Yeah.
the main cause of water pollution is sewage, which pours into our good water.
And people just like being lazy and don't want to use the trash can. They just throw their trash in the ocean. That's why
or a lot
Great
of
Pacific
places, a
Garbage
lot of
Patch.
Or they
Poor
just
places-
leave it on the ground. They
yeah, and a
can't
lot of
find
poor
something.
places don't have like proper like trash cans or people to come around and like collect them, and it just ends up in streams and it goes into the river.
Okay. Main cause of land pollution is litter waste, agriculture, mining, and urbanization.
Urbanization. That's like building houses and destroying land and like apartments. All around Beaufort, apartments.
Okay. And these are all the reasons why you should always properly dispose of your trash and don't release harmful gases into the air. Because if you end up doing that, it's just going to cause our earth harm and just going to make everybody sick and
Weary
not
and
healthy.
sad. And it's just
Unhealthy.
very bad. Like burning trash
Yeah,
correctly. Like burning trash can release harmful
very
gases.
bad gases.
And yeah, thanks for listening.